Morning students, how are you? Are you doing problems or not? Huh? So everyone must watch my videos, TSAT videos and refer to YouTube links and complete the problems given homework. So practice problems also. Okay na? So write the explain problems and examples, definitions, formulas from using textbook on your notes. Maintain fair notes using your textbook. Okay na? Write the main definitions, theorem statements, formulas, write in your notes and write these explain problems in your notes, example problems in your notes. Okay, everyone must complete the fair notes. See, we are discussing lines and angles chapter 4.3 exercise. So problem number 8. In the figure arrow marks, these two are parallel lines. Then find the values of x and y. See, so these two lines are parallel. What are the conditions? These two lines are parallel. See, what type of angles y and 59? Tell me. So here, these two are alternate interior angles. This is a transversal. If you feel this is a transversal, these two lines are parallel. Then these two are alternate interior angles. So these two angles are equal. And AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. AC is a transversal. AC is a transversal. Then 59 and y are alternate interior angles. So these two angles are equal. Y equal to 59 degrees. Now to find x. See, this is a triangle. A, B, C is a triangle. So this is the angle C. If we extended BC, then this is called extended angle, external angle. If a side of a triangle is extended, then the angle is called extended angle of the triangle or external angle. So this extended angle or external angle is the equal to sum of interior angles, sum of interior opposite angles. So x plus y is the exterior angle, that is equal to sum of these two angles. So x plus y equal to 59 plus 60. But what is y? 59. 59 cancel. So what is x? X equal to 60. Okay. We use two properties. One is parallel lines, transversal property, and from the triangle property. Okay. Now see in this figure 10th one. Find the value of x and y from this figure. The arrow marks are parallel lines. These two are parallel. These two are parallel. Then find the value of x. See children, here this is 120 degrees. This total, this is it. What about this angle? The total is 180 angle. Same straight angle is 180. So this is 120. What about this? 60. Okay. Now observe, these two are parallel lines. These two are parallel lines. Then these two angles are corresponding angles. Observe, these two are parallel lines. Then 60 and x are what type of angles? Corresponding angles. Therefore, here x equal to 60 degrees because corresponding angles are equal. Okay, next see, these two are parallel lines, then these two are corresponding angles. Okay, so x equal to 3y plus 6 degrees. Now what is the x? 60 degrees equal to 3y plus 6. Now transpose this 6 to left side. 16 minus 6 equal to 3y. That is 54 equal to 3y. So to find y, transpose 3 to left side. So that is 54 by 3 equal to y. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3. 3 8s are 24. So y equal to 18 degrees. Y equal to 18 degrees. X equal to 60 degrees. Okay, are you getting? So we use these two lines are parallel. So these two angles are equal. Before that, how can we find this? This is total 180 degrees. It is 120 means it is 60 degrees. Now these two are corresponding angles. These two are parallel lines and transversal. So these two are corresponding angles. So these two are equal. X equal to 60 degrees. Now by taking these two are parallel lines, now these two angles are corresponding angles. So these two are equal. So that we simplified. We got y, x and y. See, you have to write these problems in your notes. See this 13th one. 13th problem. In this figure, AB is parallel to CD. Angle APQ. This angle is 50 degrees. Angle APQ is 50 degrees and PRD this is 127 degrees. Then find x, y degrees and x degrees. So to find these two angles, so see children, these two lines are parallel. This is a transversal. Now these two angles are how you look like this? What we can call these two angles? 50 and x are alternate interior angles. So x equal to 50 degrees. Why? These two lines are parallel. This is a transversal. So x equal to 50 degrees. Alternate interior angles are equal. Next see, to find y, observe this is the triangle PQR. QR extended, then this is called exterior angle or external angle. This external angle is equal to sum of two interior angles. That is x plus y equal to 127. In a triangle, exterior angle is equal to sum of interior angles. So x plus y equal to 127 degrees. But what is x? 50 degrees. Substitute x equal to 50 degrees. So 50 plus y equal to 127. So to find y, transpose this 50 to right side. So 127 minus 50. That is y equal to 77 degrees. So we are applying properties and finding unknown variable values mentioned in the given figure. Now see 15th one. See 15th one. In this figure, find x and y. Here, by observing CD, AB parallel to CD. Now you can check. These two angles are alternate interior angles. So y equal to 3x. Alternate interior angles are equal. Next see children, this is a straight angle. So 2x plus y equal to 180 degrees. So substitute this y equal to 3x in this equation. 2x plus y means 3x equal to 180. So 2x plus 3x equal to 180. That is 5x equal to 180. So transpose 5 to right side. That divides here 5 multiplies. So that goes to right side divides 180 by 5. 5 ones are 5 3s are 15. 15 means 3 carry forward 30. 5 6 are 30. That is 36 by 1 is 36. Now we will have to find y. What is y? 3x. Write x value. 3 into 36. That is 108. So we completed 15th first problem. You have to do remaining two problems. In 15th remaining two problems are there. You have to complete this. See in the second one, these two are corresponding angles. Okay, these two are interior angles on the same side is 180. Third one, these two are interior angles on the same side. They are supplementary. That means the sum of these two angles is 180 degrees. In the second one, these two are corresponding angles. So these two angles are equal. By taking that property, you can solve these two problems. Next, we can complete 17th and 18, 19 tomorrow. Later, we have one more exercise to complete. So everyone must write these are in your notes. Okay.